Okay, so I'm just gonna make a sandwich. Voy a hacer un sándwich. This type of bread, whole wheat. So this is gonna be a pork sandwich, right? That's un sándwich de chancho. From the pork that I cooked the other day, del chancho que cociné el otro día. So we're just gonna chop it here a little bit, and then we're gonna heat it up, and then we're also gonna make some cheese. This is really good how they sound. So we're gonna heat this up. Vamos a calentar el heating up the pan. Estamos calentando el sartén. 2 types of cheese. Vamos a usar 2 tipos de queso. A little bit of brie. Un poquitito de brie. Cheese arriba. I don't know if we can melt it. I'll try. Okay, one for me right now. It's gonna be a simple sandwich, pero voy a hacer un sándwich muy simple esto. Yeah, so we're gonna have the brie, and we're also gonna have these 2 slices of marble cheese. I'm gonna toast this bun. Voy a tostar este pan, and I'm gonna add some mayo and mustard on one side. Y vamos a añadir mayonesa y mostaza en un lado. Just a little bit of butter, because the pork has a lot of fat, right? El chancho tiene harta grasa, so we don't need more. Now we just add the pork. And the cheese, we're just gonna mix it up. El queso, we're also just gonna put it together here. Aquí lo vamos a mezclar. Yeah, there's no need to not do that. Just mix it. Why not? Check on the bread. Okay, bread is toasted enough. Just a tostó el pan. So now we're just gonna add. This is optional, Optional. Some mayo. Este va para la Loli. A la Loli le gusta este pan. Está puesto que le gusta. Now we just. Holy moly, look at this. Look at this. I don't even know how to put it. That's what he said. There. Ahí está. Esto lo vamos a mojar ahí con los juguitos. Uy, qué rico, conchetumare. Ahí. Wow, wow, wow. El chanchurri. A ver, por favor.